Introduction to Reinforcement Learning. Reinforcement learning, or RL, is a branch of machine learning that focuses on learning through interaction. To help explain, imagine a human infant exploring their world. When they touch something soft, they feel comfort. When they touch something hot, they learn to avoid it. Through trial and error, they figure out what actions lead to rewards and what to avoid. This idea of learning by doing is at the core of reinforcement learning. Now, let's introduce the key player in reinforcement learning, the agent. The agent is like the learner in the system. It could be anything: a robot, a virtual player in a video game, or a program running on a computer. The agent exists in an environment, which is the world it interacts with. It takes actions in this environment, observes the results, and adjusts its behavior to maximize rewards. For example, a robot in a factory is an agent whose environment is the workspace. If it places an object correctly, it gets a reward. If it drops the object, it might receive a penalty. Over time, the robot learns to complete its tasks effectively. This approach is very different from conventional machine learning. In traditional methods, like supervised learning, the model is trained on a fixed dataset of labeled examples. Like teaching a computer to recognize cats by showing it thousands of labeled images. Once trained, the model doesn't interact with the world to refine its knowledge. Reinforcement learning, however, is all about interaction. The agent learns on the fly, receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. It adapts its strategies dynamically, which is why reinforcement learning is so powerful for solving problems where exploration and decision-making are key. You've likely seen reinforcement learning in action without realizing it. It's used to train AI systems to master games like chess and Go, control robots in uncertain environments, and even manage resources efficiently in industries. One of the most exciting applications of reinforcement learning is in building AI models like ChatGPT. A special technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, helps align ChatGPT's responses with human values and preferences. Human reviewers guide the model by providing feedback, helping it refine its behavior and produce better responses. Reinforcement learning is all about teaching machines to learn like humans by trying, failing, and ultimately succeeding through interaction. It's a cornerstone of modern AI and a fascinating gateway to understanding intelligence itself. In sum, reinforcement learning is all about teaching machines to learn like humans by trying, failing, and ultimately succeeding through interaction. It's a cornerstone of modern AI and a fascinating gateway to understanding intelligence itself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tech insights. Drop your questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.